JetMenu 3.0 is finally here. In this video, I'll walk you through what's new, including long-awaited compatibility with block themes and a powerful new option to control menu item visibility. If you've been looking for more flexibility and better integration with modern WordPress setup, this release is definitely worth your attention. This is Julia from Crocoblock, and now let's dive in. We introduce a dedicated JetMenus page for full-site editing themes. As there is no classic appearance menus interface, it can make using JetMenu, especially Mega Menu, more difficult. Now the JetMenu page provides a clear, classic interface for menu control, which makes the usage of the Mega Menu accessible for the block themes users. In this video, I'll show you how to use a block theme to create a menu, add it to your header, and style it to match your site. Let's start with the top. Here you'll find a convenient menu control panel. Menu dropdown lets you select an existing menu to add it. Create a new menu allows you to quickly create a menu, and the delete menu removes the currently selected menu. On the left, you'll find the panel for adding menu items like custom links, pages, posts, pop-ups, and taxonomies. On the right, you can manage the menu structure, add and edit menu items, as well as child ones. Each menu item comes with the same intuitive settings, allowing you to customize it with ease. A label defines the menu item text, which you can edit anytime to better match your navigation structure. URL specifies the links for the item and is editable for custom links, giving you full control over where it leads. Item settings opens the settings pop-up where you can configure advanced options like mega content, item icon, badge, some advanced options, and dynamic visibility. I'll come back to this new feature later in the video and explain it in more detail. Both menu items and the nested ones can have mega content, and for that, simply click the Item Settings button. Enable the Use Mega Content toggle. Then you will be able to choose the mega content type, and click the Open Editor button to set the mega content. And by the way, we have a detailed video tutorial on how to build a mega menu like a pro available on our channel, so make sure to check it out. Now let's add a menu to the header. You can do this through WordPress dashboard, appearance, editor, patterns, header. Here you can choose the header you want to edit or create a new one by clicking the Add Pattern button. Since it's a default WordPress editor, just add a mega menu block and select the needed menu. You can also customize and style the mega menu block right here with JetMenu 3.0. It gives you full control over its layout, design, and overall look to match your website perfectly. And this is how the header looks on the front end. The dynamic visibility option lets you show or hide individual menu items based on specific conditions, like whether the user is logged in, their role, the page type, and more. This makes your menu much more flexible and powerful, so you can create a truly personalized navigation experience for different users instead of showing everyone the same links. Let's say I want to make the menu item Your Tours visible only for the logged-in users. For that, I will enable the dynamic visibility toggle in the Items Settings pop-up. Mode controls how the condition works. There are two options: to show or hide the item if condition matches. Rules section allows you to define the conditions that control visibility. In the drop-down list, you'll find user-based and page-based conditions, as well as WooCommerce ones. If you add 2 or more rules, you can decide how they work together, if everything must match, or if only one condition needs to match. Keep in mind that conditions apply only to individual menu items, not the whole menu, and if a parent item is hidden, all its child items will also disappear. Here is the same page in a different browser, and your tours item isn't visible anymore since I'm not logged in. For the classic themes users, the process is similar. Simply proceed to Appearance, Menus, click the Settings button, unfold Dynamic Visibility, enable the toggle, and set the needed conditions. With all these tools together, from building mega menus and styling them directly in the editor, to adding dynamic visibility rules that change what users see based on their role, login status, or page, you get a really flexible system for navigation. Drop a comment below and let us know what you'd love to try first or use in your own projects. Give us a like if you enjoyed this overview and make sure you are subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.